Welcome to our online trading session using a practical trade. As you can see, I want to show you how you can maximize your profits from online trading. That's a QML pattern: higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, and lower high. That defines a QML pattern. So as you can see, I took my trade on the QML level, but this trade reversed and went to a previous support and a previous resistance zone. This is what will term the maximum pain level. As you can see, the trade compressed upwards until it got to the yellow line, and that's where it went down. That's the maximum pain level. So how you get to work out the maximum pain level where the yellow line is? So you find a place where there's so much rejection from the top and from the bottom. As you can see there's so much rejection in that area. Then you mark that zone with even a line. If your price comes to that area, you take your trade. This will be an untested supply zone if you are selling. If you are buying, that will be an untested demand zone. But I always sell, I never buy. So that will be an untested demand zone, an untested supply zone. As you can see there, that's where price gravitated to. It compressed, price compressed all the way up, and there were rejection candles there, which would confirm your trade entry. So if you'd enter from there, or if you had entered from the QML level, you can actually add more trades up there. But take care that you do have proper risk management techniques, otherwise you'll lose your money. Because when we're trading, we analyze the market, but at times market might go against our analysis. It might head in a direction that we never thought it would head, and also there might be some manipulation around there, such that the manipulation just goes up until it turns again and goes to your initial predicted direction. But if you wouldn't have practiced proper risk management, you can lose your money there. So as you can see, this is the QML trade, that's the MPL level, and the trade went on down. The pink line represents your take profit zone, but at times the broker can hold the price such that it doesn't get to the pink line where your take profit ought to be. So you ought to be checking on your trade and not just place it and head away and do other things. No, but you ought to be checking whether the price is still headed towards your take profit zone. As you can see, price doesn't just go down, it goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up, because it doesn't just go down in a linear fashion. No, but a price can drop, create a base. When it creates a base, it can retest a certain zone that it had moved away from, then come back down, then go back up again to retest and come down until it hits your take profit. So you gotta have steady nerves. You have to be patient and don't be a person who just freaks out easily. Otherwise you'll close your trade and not maximize on your profits. But one thing that you can do when you get to a certain level, you can actually close some of your trades so that you book profits and then leave some running. Like you see, I put a stop loss there, so you can trail your trade with a stop loss, but take care not to put a tight stop loss which takes you out of your own trade prematurely. So you put your stop loss. My take profits, well, I know this trade is set to come there, but initially it won't just go there. It will go down, go up, go down, go up until it gets there. So your take profit won't really be at that place. It has to be where the QML lower low is, so that you can trace and track your trade properly. Otherwise you'll lose some hard-earned cash, and you do not want to return your cash to the broker, because we're trying to make money here and we're not trying to lose money. So this is how you trade a QML, and it will give you more profit. So I'll show you how much I made from this trade and how much you can make if you practice on it. So what you'll need to do is backtest your trades on your chart pattern. If you need a link to trade using MT5 and using Deriv broker, just check in the description below. But you need to be careful. You need to have practice, because I have this will be my 4th year in this year trading. This is 2025. This will be around my 4th year trading, like in October. I started trading in 2021 in October. So I've learned a lot, and I've lost money in the process, and I've gained money as well. So we don't give up, but we keep trading. So as you keep trading, you'll learn more.